This is a left device connected to a LCD screen. We can see the device MAC and it's lined side by side to the right screen. Let's look at the right screen. And we need to write down the device MAC also for the right one.
In this video, we're going to show how to use a cloud-based digital signage software and the content design software offered by LinkSprite. LinkSprite has a cloud platform called Deep Cloud, and you can access deepcloud.linksprite.com and go there and register and create an account. The Deep Cloud platform offers many interesting applications, including AI-based application, for example, facial recognition, pleased or not, like surveyor app, and also access control, attendance management, traffic counter like overhead counter, video surveillance, and last but not least, the digital signage platform we are going to talking about today. The procedure and the flow to create a digital signage application and publish it to the digital signage player goes as follows. So first, we need to create an application locations. For example, in this here, we already have two locations pre-created. We can go ahead and click this create new location. We put the location name. For example, I put my new location and address. You can put as a physical address or whatever address you want to. I guess you have to put as a physical address. Right now, I'm just going to put Boulder. The city called Boulder. State, Colorado. Latitude and longitude is very interesting features because when the system upgrade, we're going to show a map later. You can see where this location is, okay? So you can go and click this thing, okay? Let me put it here. You can see where is the latitude and longitude. Anyway, I just click this thing. See, you see this thing? This is latitude and longitude. Okay? I'm going to copy and paste. Okay. Ranging from this to this. Okay. Time zone. Please select the correct time zone, as later on when we create an advertisement, we want to publish the advertisement and the time schedule is based on this location's time zones. Okay. So we need to, for example, time zone Denver. Bingo. Here we go. We get a new location. The next step, after we created this new location, the next step is to go to digital signage section, go to device management, and then add the device. For example, here. And then we need to create new device. There are two types of device supported by the digital signage software from LinkSprite. The first one is that stand-alone Android player. You basically send the video or signage, design the signage based on single screen. The other one is we can make a multiple screen. So for example, each screen has one Android device attached to it, and it can merge or publish a single video or a single picture across several screens. So we call it LCD matrix. We're going to talk about LCD matrix or multiple screen later. For now, we're going to just focus on the single screen. We have got the MAC address of the Android digital signage player. So what we're going to do is click this create new device, select the location. Okay, we have created a new location. Device type, we just select this general model. Device name, we're going to name a more name for it. Since in our next step later on, we're going to show how to merge like multiple screen. So we're going to use name, for example, left. We're going to have two screens. Of course, it's not limited to like side by side left and right screens. It can do like 2x2 matrix or 3x3 or 1x4 or 2x4. But in this particular presentation, we just want to show the 1x2, so side by side. Okay, so left screen. So device name is left screen. The MAC address, we just show that the MAC address is displayed on the Android device. If you turn it on, it's C44E. Device label. Okay, I already get some device label here, but it's not necessary to put a device label. It's just for convenient. Okay, I'm going to just use it but for this first step, I'm just want to show the single standalone video first. Okay, this one. Screen orientation, horizontal or vertical. Device parameter setting, the volume. Okay. After we done this, we need to go to the screen, go to the Android signage player and restart the app or power cycle it so it can be checking. We don't need to do this every time. Once we add this device, it's like once in lifetime configurations. So now let's move to the Android. Now let's move to the signage player part. We exit the app and relaunch it. You can see it quickly say connect to the server. After you see this screen protector, which is a background, we know that this device has already been checked in to the server. Otherwise, it will display this kind of screen, the Mac. So the left side, you can see this device has been already checked in to the server. Now we're going to move to the platform part to create an advertisement and then push and publish to this particular player. Back to the Deep Cloud platform. You can see this says the device is not online, so we need to reload. Okay. This device, the local IP address is this, and recently checked in, and the storage area, and it's online. And if I want to edit it like this, total is 4.2 giga and 4.2 giga remaining. Okay, it's already, the free space is 3.44. You can adjust the volume of it, remotely adjust the volume. And we also can see what's going on this device. For example, ads. Is there any ads? Nothing. Okay, so you can also see this timeline of this device. Task list now, timeline now. This is brand new. We will come back to this later. And is there any like text broadcast? No. We can create a text broadcast later. Remote control, we can also select some command, for example, reboot the device, warrant checking, automatic checking, clear all the data. So those are handy tools we can use to remote manage this individual digital signage players. Okay, now we have done this device management. Okay, what we need to do later on is to move. Next step is go to the content management. The steps in order to publish advertisement or message is like this. We know we already add a signage player. The next step is we need to go through this content management, add the materials we want to include it. So we want to build a materials library, but this is an ongoing task. For example, if we click the materials, we can upload the image, video, audio, and the web. Okay. And then we create a templates, a custom templates, using the materials uploaded in this step, in the first step. So after we did this, finish these templates, then we create an advertisement using those templates. Okay. After we got the advertisement, then we need to do the publishing. So there is a third one is the tools for you to manage the publishing. So for example, ads publishing, screen text publishing, those kind of things. And it has single screen and a multi-screen task. So let's go to the material parts. We want to using a video as an example. So we can do video and pictures. Okay, I'm going to just use video first. Video, material group. This from some previous thing. So I'm going to delete it and adding a material. So the first thing is, for example, I'm doing a promotion for projector, like a mini projector. So all the marketing material for the projector goes to this group, for example. Okay, I'm going to use mini projector. It's a group. Okay, it comes with a default group. Materials. So I'm going to add a material group, mini project, upload materials. Okay. Upload materials, confirm. So it's going to upload on background. We can close this thing. It's going to upload on background and wait. Okay. We may want to change this name because we don't want to use this file name. So let's go edit and material name like mini projector. Okay. So this is a video. You can also do a preview. Yeah, pretty nice, huh? Confirm. Got it. So we finished what we at least upload one material. Okay. Now we need to create a templates. You can go to custom templates to create templates, template name. So it's for basically for like a mini projector show. Okay. Just whatever name is easy for you. Resolution. For my screen, I'm going to pick this screen, like 1080p. If you have other screens, other resolutions, which you didn't see here, you can always email us at sales@linksprite.com. We're going to add it for you. Okay, this is our resolution. Confirm. Okay, it says the template is created successfully, and we want to go ahead and add the content. Add. It automatically brings this H5 editors. Okay, H5 editors. So this is content design. For we can upload image, video, web page, and HDMI source, text, screen text, mix, date and time, QR code, or like rectangles. It's got lots of interesting things. You can play with it and play with them. For now, I'm going to just use this video, click this video, and I'm going to put it in the middle here. You see this big plus thing? You can add many different videos and it's going to play in sequential. Okay, video. This is a video I just uploaded in previous step. So I'm going to click this thing. Okay. And of course, you can add the other, this mute is on or off. You can add like animation or things later. And you can keep adding the videos. Video one. For example, I click preview. Okay, and I can add a web page. For example, here, right here, click. Oh, I didn't add it. Did I add it? No. I didn't add the web page. I need to go to the material task and add it first. Okay, I do that later. Text, for example, can add a text here. For example, nice mini projector. Bye. And we can change the color. This. Font size, okay. Color, change the color alignment, media, and the fonts, for example, can change different fonts, and change the font size. Oops. Going to increase this. Yeah, I'm going to increase the date and time. Here. Oh, I did it many times. Okay. Delete this one. Do preview. Okay. I'm going to stop here. So what we need to do is to save. You're going to package it to a nice package so it can be ready to push to the Signage player, and close the editor. Now you see something here. This is a template right here. Now let's go to the ads. We're going to create an ads, single screen or multiple screen. For now, we just need to focus on single screen ads. Put a name, of course, it's mini projector promotion. Horizontal size. Template, like H5 templates, we just show you, or ordinary. What is ordinary? Ordinary means just have one, just video or picture. So it doesn't need the fancy H5 editors, just picture or video. So since we already create a H5 template before, so we're going to click H5 or then it's template, right? Since we created this one, so it's custom template. Save. Please select the template. Okay, I didn't sleep. Now you can see this is sleep. Select. Save. Okay, we don't need to add, because this means you're using the previous build custom template, add your thing on it. I don't need to do that, so go to here. To be submitted. Let me reload. What do you mean to be submitted? What's this button? Oh, it's preview. Not a variable. I didn't submit it. Edit. Here, we need to submit it for review. Because this thing, we have two types of account when you register this. When you register create an account on deep cloud platforms. The first one is the owner. It has all sorts of permissions, rights, and when I doing this demo, I'm using an owner account. I can create and review and approve the advertisement myself, and you can delegate rights by creating some other sub account, and as an owner, you actually can delegate the rights, or you can ask the sub user to create the advertisement and then submit it for review, and as the owner of the account or some other account to review and approve the materials. Okay, so here I'm going to click submit for review. Okay, save successfully. I'm adding. So if I go here and do reload, then I can see it's pending. Since my account is the owner account, I can do this button here. I can approve it. You can either approve or reject. I'm going to approve. Done. So it's approved. You can see it's approved. Really nice. And then the next step is to publish this ads. So go to ads publishing. Again, so in our first stage, I'm just want to focus on single screen task. And later on, we're going to focus on multiple screen task. Create task name, mini project promotion. Task type. We can upload two types of a task. One is the advertisement itself. The other one is a screensaver. Basically in between the active tasks. If nothing going to be played, you can put a screensaver there. So basically it's a default one. Okay. So for first one, advertisement, publishing methods, ordinary or insertion. So we can create an ordinary one, means it runs according to normal priority. So you can put whatever schedule it is. And later on, if you have some emergency things coming up, you can insert this broadcasting. Okay. And it's going to override the ordinary tasks. So for now, I'm going to use ordinary and a playlist. We just create one advertisement, right? The playlist. So it's this one. So, okay, continuous broadcast. If you don't want to continue, that's 47 seconds. 47 seconds. You can add more. If you have more advertisement, you can continue sequential play all of them. So since I just have one, so I'm going to do the continuous one. And the device, which device you want to push to? We just have one, right? So left screen. You also can do like by device or by location or by region. So we can also do like by location. And say it's this new location. So then it's going to push to all those locations, the devices in all these locations. Okay. Publishing date. I'm going to just pick anyone and I'm going to make it a whole day. Okay. And you can also select what period you want to do, and Monday or Tuesday is pretty flexible. Confirm to be published, you see. Okay, now we are ready to push it to the Signage player. Click this, publish, confirm. It says published. It's going to take some time for that thing to being pushed to the player. If I reload it, you can see it's published. Now let's go to the player and the screen, see what's.
Okay, this is the screen with the advertisement being pushed to this particular players. You can see it's already played this video with the text and the time on it. So we are done for now, and we are going to move to the multiple screen part.
Move on to for the next step, which is multi-screen tasks. We're going to stop the task already being played on the left player. So let's do this. It's paused. Terminate this task. You may be wondering what's going on the player. You're right. The task is going to be stopped, and we should get the screen protector running on that player. Let's go and take a look.
Yes. The player just display the default screen protector as we expected.
Now we are going to take a look at the multiple screen task, which is also called LCD matrix. So we're going to display the advertisement on a multiple LCD matrix, using each small screen to make a huge, big screen. Same thing here. Since we already have locations added, we're going to go to the device management under digital signage section. Go to device list. We already added the left screen. We are going to add the right screen. Since we are doing two screens side by side. Create new device, location, new location, device type, general, device name. I'm going to call it right screen. The MAC address is C4. Device label, LED matrix. It's not necessary to do it, but it's nice to have feature. Horizontal, confirm. Okay. We have two screens added. As what we have done with the left screen, we need to go to the player, the right player, power cycle it to make it check in. Okay, we're going to do that now.
There are two players side by side. The first one, as we have done in the previous step, already displays the background screensaver. Now we work on the right side. Since I have a mouse and a keyboard attached to it, so I just can do this instead of power cycle. I'm going to say I have server connected. Good. Now we get this two LCD screens sits next to each other. Now we're going to move to the web portal to continue to create advertisement task.
The web portal, going to reload. Oh, you can see the right screen is also checked in. Okay. Now let's go to LED matrix. We need to create a matrix group. Location, new location. Matrix group name, we just put a name like 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2. You can do lot, maximum is 3. Okay, horizontal. Confirm. Go to associate device. So who is the left side one? Of course, this guy. Who is the right side of this guy? And what's the border? Like 10. Screen size 55 inches. I don't have this bigger screens since I'm using 27-inch monitors. But if you don't see your size here, you can always email us so we can add your size. The email address is sales@linksprite.com. Thank you. Add it here so we get this thing. Okay, this LED group. Now let's go to content management. Materials, same as before, right here. I'm not going to create any new materials. Templates. This is important. Custom templates. This one. If you want to do a matrix display or multi-screen display, we don't use this H5 since H5 is not supported in matrix display. Okay, so we don't need to create a templates. So we directly go to ads. Create ads, multiple screen. Name, again, mini projector matrix display. Okay, resolution same as before, multiple screen. Or you see here, you cannot select H5 template. You can only do ordinary templates. Okay, save. Go to add contents. Okay, contents, image, video. What's going on here? Oh, this mini project. Search right here. Okay. For now, I don't care about this ratio. Okay, I just want to get it going. Submit for review. It's pending. Same as before. Right now, I have the permission to audit it. I'm going to say approve. Okay, I approve it. So see here. Now we get the add task. We need to go to the publishing. As publishing. Multiple screen task. Create task name. Mini projector matrix. As ordinary or insertion, right? Insertion basically means you have some new tasks which can override the ordinary schedules. So for now, I'm going to ordinary. Playlist is this. Okay, native. So it's like just video or image. It doesn't support H5 for matrix display. Group. I have 1, which is this. Okay, and schedule, for example here. Okay. Insertion to be published. So what I can do now, what? Oh, I'm sorry, here. Single screen, multiple screen. There are 2 tabs here. Okay, go to multi-screen. Click this button. Publish. Okay, reload. Issue. Oh my gosh. Let's go to this. We may want to improve this. So now it's already been published. What do you expect at the 2 left and the right players? We will go there and find out.
Wow. Look at here. The entire video is being split between two screens. And you can see it's synchronized pretty well. As a player can support Wi-Fi or Ethernet, we strongly recommend you're using Ethernet and connect them to the same router. That way, the two screens can synchronize very well. You can see. Okay, I'm going to stop here and wrap up today's presentation. Thank you. Bye-bye.